What if you could sell your selfies, pictures of your favorite food, or any other type of photo you have on your camera roll? Companies like Volvo, Sony, and Nivea will pay anyone to upload ordinary pictures online. You don't need any special skills or photographing knowledge. You can sell literally any photo from your camera roll and earn over $2,000 a month while doing so. I mean, how cool is that? The name of this great website is... Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. I know I was gone for quite some time now. Me and my team were busy with some other projects on hand, but don't you guys worry, we are back with Season 2 of Money Crush. So relax, get some snackies, and get ready to make money fast. All you need is a computer or a smartphone with an internet connection, and you're good to go. The money will start rolling in daily. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. The website I'm talking about is called fope.com. Now, I want you guys to head over there and follow my steps because many people make mistakes during the registration process, which can be very tricky. Fope is a free-to-use website with a community of over 3 million creators from 180 countries where photos and videos are sold. They've been in business for the past 7 years and generated millions of dollars within that time frame. Earning money is easy with this method, and we will be getting into great detail right now. First of all, we have to register our free account on this platform. To do so, click on the Switch to Creators button. This is mandatory or else you won't be able to make money using this method. This page will appear where you will have to download the official app for either iOS or Android depending on what device you use. So go right away and download it for your mobile device. When you first download and open this app, you will be greeted with this screen. You can swipe through and see how much money have other people made using this phenomenal app. To register your account, tap on the Start Using Fope button at the bottom. Choose the method you want to use for registration and make your free account. Now, this is the first screen you will see upon creating an account. There are certain missions in which you can compete to win various prizes. For example, the Photo of the Week mission pays a certain amount to the user who posts the best picture in the previous week. Furthermore, you can browse through countless missions available. To get more details about the mission, simply tap on the Mission tab. The cover photo shown here is chosen as the best photo from the previous week. If your photo were to be chosen as the best, it would show up here for everyone to see. Down here, you can see a mission description, as well as the rules. It's mandatory to follow these rules or else you will not be eligible to compete in the mission. If you scroll down, you can see some beautiful example photos that people have posted. As you can see, to sell your photos, folk need to know a little more about you. This is some of the most basic information like your first and last name, date of birth, and the country you are from. Simply fill in everything necessary and you are ready to sell photos. There are 2 different ways of earning money using this app, which I will explain in a minute. Before that, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like and subscribe buttons and to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos that will make you earn money fast online. So, as I said earlier, there are 2 ways of earning money using this app. The first one is participating in missions. Depending on the mission type, you can participate with your photos from your camera roll. I will give an example. Tap on the Missions button in the navigation bar. Different companies and individuals pay people for the best photo to represent their brand. If you choose this mission, for instance, you can read the description and rules right here. And if you want to join this mission with your photos for a chance to win and earn money, simply tap on the Join Mission at the bottom of the screen. Now you can choose multiple photos to compete in this mission. You must also add photo description and at least 5 tags per photo in order to post pictures, but also for a bigger chance to win in the competition. When you are finally ready to post them, click on the Publish button. Now you are a contestant in this mission. You can keep track of all missions you entered in the Joined tab at the top of the screen. The second way to earn money using this app is to simply post any kind of photos you have. The brands that are in search for specific photos will encounter your published pictures and contact you to buy those photos from you. To do that, tap on the camera icon. Now you only need to browse through your camera roll and select the photos you want to publish. There is no limit on how many pictures you can post daily. It is totally up to you. And keep in mind that you should only post high-quality photos. You have to have at least $5 to request a payout, which you will reach in no time. This is really a simple way to earn money online. You can sell your beautiful photos directly from your mobile device to earn money. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.